Welcome to Math and Me. Find x from exponential simplification. Look, here is 27 to the power x equals to cubic root of 3 to the power root x. It's looking complex, but solution is very easy. What can I do? First, we can write this 27, we can write 3 to the power 3, it means 3 cube, then to the power x equal this cubic root we need to omit, so we can write here 3 to the power x to the power 1 by 3. Okay, we know this one. What does mean? X, this means x to the power 1 by 3. Now look, we know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m n. Okay, so here also we can write same thing, 3 to the power 3 x. Okay, now what? Equal this one also same thing, 3 to the power root x divided 3. We know another thing, a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equal n, because we know if base is same, power will be equal. So here we can write 3x equal root x divided 3. So if we multiply both sides 3, we can get here 9x, and here is root x. Now look, 9, this x we can write root x into root x, and here is equals to root x. Okay, now look, if we divide both sides by root x, we can get 9 root x equals to 1. So root x equals to 1 by 9. If we square both sides, we can get here x equal 1 by 81. We can write here square both side. So our answer is 1 divided 81. Very simple way we solve exponential simplification. Thank you.